Thank you, Ajay. Thank you very much. The breeze is blowing across the ground, and it could be breezy start. Afghanistan, Hazratullah Jazai, and they got Ramanullah Gurbaz to open the batting. Asghar Afghan, plenty of all-rounders, 5 of them playing in today's encounter. So expect a lot of runs, plenty of runs on this excellent surface. The weather entertainment in the batting department, that's for sure. The bowlers, they will have to work really, really hard. In the commentary box, I'm Devendra. With me is Nikhil Vaswani.
For this live and exclusive coverage, and all eyes will be on this man, Hazratullah Jazai, and giving him company alongside is Ramanullah Gurbazu.
Here's the first ball.
Ball straight up.
A defensive approach straight away from Jazai. Tucks away on the onside. That's something that he should be doing, feeding strike to right-hand batsman against the off spinner.
Nicely bowled once again, just keeping it very close to the body there.
Wants a run, quick run. First match. Dismissing both the is there. Appeal for LBW. Straight away in the channel. Boundary option, maybe over extra cover. So hits through the onside. Has he got enough power behind the short ball? Sterling for the fieldsman there on the boundary ropes. He does well to stop that one. Great delivery again. Jazai takes charge. He lifts it over. One travel to the boundary. Couple of runs on offer. Mid-off is going slightly wider. Swings and swings it really well. Pressure releasing shot coming from Jazai's blade.
Will be punished. Jazai there, just hitting in that vacant area, hitting it really hard.
This time goes big, really big. What a shot from Rahmanullah Gurbaz. Clear the boundary this time in a maximum. This boundary maybe relieve some pressure from him and also from Hazrat. So some good runs for Afghanistan and scored in 4s and 6s. This time wins hard. A big leading edge. Oh, opportunity and drop the catch. This time again, same line, same length. Such an amazing journey. This time goes huge shot from Hazrat Jazai. His favorite area. He likes to play here in wonderful 6. Duck roll to the party.
Considerably slow start. What we expect from this batting order. There we go again. Clearing his arms is Gurbaz. Gets the clearance, gets the 6. Mighty stroke by Gurbaz.
Small frame, but he packs a punch, let me tell you. And look at that, he didn't even have a full follow through for that.
Can always capitalize.
Catch it.
Jazai, and that's a wicket, is it? Yes, it is. Hazratullah Jazai will have to walk back. As we were just mentioning that they haven't lost a wicket. Wicket for Ireland.
Oh yes, tossed up delivery once again, but no width offered. Just checking his shot in the end, but look at that catch. Look at that attempt. A catch of your own bowling is always...
Short ball again, pulled away. Straight to the fielder. That'll again be just a run. Him in the previous over. Comes down the track again. Swing of the bat. Fielder there will watch it sail over him. Wicket once again from the bat of Gurbaz. Much needed for Afghanistan.
Ball, guys, great bowling.
He's playing some aggressive cricket.
Last ball, Yorker there. And chance at the non-striker's end. Direct hit. Oh, what are they doing? A direct hit would have had Afghan walking back. We'll just have a look. It's been referred to the TV umpire.
He was the more aggressive, accomplished batsman.
Nicely picked, good timing. That's going to be a 4. A much needed boundary here.
On his back foot. And clear the mid-wicket area. There was a no fielder.
Nicely played, it's upish, but just falling short of the fielder. That's played upish, but in the gap. Lovely strike there. Lovely strike from the Afghanistan skipper. Maximum.
This time Azhar Afghan succeed. You can see his position. Was waiting and waiting. And he connects really well.
Once again, bowling shot. That's not working here for Ireland. And that's going to be another 4. Another 4 here. Big over coming for Afghanistan. The 100 up for them. 101 for 2 now.
Over delivery, very slow. in one of his favorite area. And again, same area he targets. Afghanistan or Ireland will be very exciting. This time hits really well. What a shot from Mohammad Nabi. Shpagiza through to mid wicket. A little bit short of line delivery, and he clears it really well.
Bowling too short, Delaney on that occasion. He was up to it. Just see that bat flow as well. There was a field in the deep, but he was a mere spectator. Appeal there. Where was the impact? Outside line of off stump probably. That's going to be 4-leg buys.
Just slightly outside the off stump. This time goes big. What a shot from Azhar Afghan. Clears the boundary. Shpagiza.
That's a brilliant strike. Shpagiza. Shot in the slot for him. Goes for it. Just see that bat flow as well. That's tremendous. It's gone all the way, getting the elevation, getting the distance.
The way he loves to hit. This time outside the off stump, but he loves that also. What a shot from Azhar Afghan. Went really back and clears the point.
I tell you what, Azhar Khan today, he's leading from the front. Just going over the point area, just opening his bat face intentionally. Defensive over once again, 40 of 21. And this time down the ground. Down the ground is going to be a 6. To end the over. What an over. 16 overs gone. 137 for 2.
Picking it on the full, got the toe end of the bat, but that's power. That's sheer power.
Nataraj stroke. How many runs away from the fielder? 4 more.
The fielder was up, and it was 4 the moment it got the bat.
Suppling across, goes straight down the ground. They got the fielder. Fielder underneath it. He takes the catch, and the partnership is broken off 68.
Just take a look. Looking at something. Smile on Azhar Afghan's face.
What's an offer? Free hit. And he smacks it. Times it well. The catch won't matter. The batsman will come back for the second. Throw is slightly wider there. 2 more runs.
This innings.
Nabi hammers it straight flat. Fielder on the boundary. He takes the catch. Ajay. He heads. The partnership is broken now.
Just got the toe end of the bat. Nicely rounded off by the fielder. Just took it chest high.
Half century on cards. He swings it and straight to the fielder. Takes the catch. He's denied a half century here. Azhar Afghan is out for 49 of 27. Caught on the boundary. Getting it from the toe end of the bat. And it's a very well judged catch on the boundary. Appeal for LBW. Will not be entertained by the umpire. Walked off this. He swings it straight down the ground. It's a humongous shot. It's gone for a 6. Timely 6 from Nazibullah Jadran.
Calm and composed, eyes lit up. It was more of a half tracker, and the bowler knew it the moment that ball hit the bat.
Little he plays up in the air. They got the fielder on the boundary ropes. He will see it sail over him for a 6. 2 back-to-back 6s. Back again. It's him and him again. Nazibullah Jadran on fire.
This man is so good on the eyes. Look at this once again. Just picks it up from length and goes over long on.
Slow delivery and smacked it flat, hard. That's gone for 4. Well, it has become 18 with 1 delivery to go in the first innings. That's gone for a 6.
Once again, a nothing delivery on the shorter side, and all Gulbuddin had to do was
from this over. It's not ending anytime soon. It's going up. They got the fielder. It's gone all the way for a 6. What a fantastic final over. 24 coming from it. 20 overs gone. Afghanistan. They are joyful now. Back in Kabul. They must be celebrating like anything like they're celebrating here. It's 184 for 4 in 20 overs, Afghanistan. What a finish.
This has been an amazing comeback. Winning the toss, electing to bat first. And this batting card is confirmation that they've all contributed. 28 of 33 for Zazai.
Yes, welcome back to the second T20 International of the Islamic Bank of Afghanistan Cup. Got Ireland off to a super start. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chaitanya Sant. Along with me is Hamid Hassan, the Afghanistan pacer. Hamid, good afternoon.
In Ireland side, Kevin O'Brien, 95 T20s, 1,627 runs to level the series.
The first ball, how difficult is it for a spinner to start with the new ball? Always difficult to grip it. And looking for the second run, sent back by Kevin O'Brien.
It's like almost an in-swinger. This time, hits to mid-on, but luckily, this time make himself room.
Giving away a run to the Irish batsman. Going for the big hit. Has he connected? Is it going all the way? No, it is a couple of bounces. And more importantly, that's 4 runs to end the first over. Good end to the first over for Ireland. At the end of the first over, the 8 for no loss. 1 over 8 for no loss. In comes 32-year-old Shapur Zadran. Left arm, medium fast, 36 matches.
And also the run-up is a little bit shorter. Big fan of Shoaib Akhtar. Running, every single run is very important. Improvise this time. Win for appeal. Pressure on Afghanistan side. This time, make himself room. Slower delivery. He connects really well.
A lot of runs right now for Ireland. Going for the big hit on the leg side. Big appeal. Umpire says not out. He's unmoved there.
This time, fuller, straighter, in a maximum. What a shot from Kevin O'Brien. Excellent cricket, beautiful batting.
Oh yes, in the slot there, and Kevin O'Brien is not going to miss on.
His feet is absolutely brilliant. This time sweeps again. And he connects really well. Looks like a maximum. Mujib in trouble. Afghanistan in all.
Under the pump. Catch it! Again in the air, chance. Fielder under it, will be able to reach to that one. Yes, he has. Good catch taken there. And eventually it's Mujib who comes out victorious.
2 boundaries. And a catch from Kareem Jannat. What a catch. It's not easy catch when you're running.
Makes room for himself, covers the infield, clears it, and has it gone all the way?
Best shot of the match so far. Brilliant shot.
Playing up pitch, there's Hap in the air, fielder coming underneath, and that's the second wicket. The second wicket for Mujib. Ball Sterling, the danger man, he's got to go back.
And for 49 from the previous match, but taken 2 important wickets here. Both the openers back over and win that T20 match. It's been driven beautifully. The placement was immaculate.
Lovely strike, beautifully timed, racing away.
Absolutely brilliant Balbirnie on that occasion. Look at this one, didn't try to hit it hard. It was.
That's clobbered, there's high up in the air and finding the fielder. That man we were mentioning about, once again coming to the act.
Look at this one. He's getting it from the toe end of the bat with the fieldsman on the boundary ropes. There was no need to play this kind of shot. Rashid Khan making no mistake.
Pulls it, a lot of bottom hand, and that's in the gap. It's going to be a 4. That's cut away. Nicely done. The placement was terrific.
Quick delivery, and it's been driven handsomely. A powerful strike for 4 to mark the end of the 8th over.
Afghanistan was batting. Oh, he goes big. He goes high. Has he got the distance on that? Yes, he has. It's a 6.
I've gone for the Irish team here, coming down the track on the leg side. Most favoured area. Score at will. Making room for himself. Clearing the fence. And will he get 4 runs for that? Yes, he does. Good striking there by Balbirnie. The back foot, it cuts it. Big task for the field at sweeper covers. Oh, there's an error. Red error in the field by Afghanistan. And that's easy for Balbirnie.
This time ball quicker down the leg side, a half-hearted appeal.
Andy Balbirnie. Wrong one, straight up. Oh, sharp turn there. Turn and bounce. Surprising Balboni. Making room for himself, but good bowling there by the experienced Nabi. Following him. Good running between the wickets. Good early call by Tector.
And sweep stoppage. The fielder takes the catch on the boundary. What a brilliant catch. Samiullah Shinwari. Rashid Khan has struck and struck at the right moment.
To depart. And what a catch from Samiullah Shinwari. Absolutely brilliant. A little bit unbalanced, but he managed to grab the ball.
Featured in a wonderful partnership with Asghar Afghan. Once again, great delivery.
And in last 4 years. Oh, again. A flying jump. Look at the run rate. Oh, this time Googly beats everyone. Batsman and keeper. It won't be a boundary or not. Excellent effort from Shapur Zadran. And runs are... Oh, that's a huge Googly.
Is this the over? They are targeting, gets a slower bouncer. He hammered it to the fielder there on the boundary ropes. No, he can't take this one. The batsman will be through for two. Rashid Khan, the fielder there on the boundary ropes.
Just take him, run out. Improvise this time. Improvisation, helpfully success for Ireland batsman in a boundary.
Phase in the match.
A full toss in the air. Has he connected that well? Yes, he has. A good start to the 17th over. Short ball pulled away, and that's into the stands. Gets the 6 is Tector.
Tector's eyes would have lit up. All he had to do was just get bat to ball over there and hit it over cow corner.
Oh, superb comeback that one. Superb comeback. Making room for himself. Again, a super delivery, and that's a wicket. Yes, he's missed it. And once again, Mujib, what a comeback after being hit. Comes back and picks up the wicket.
Important breakthrough. Quicker this time on the off stump. Batsman making room for himself. Trying to play it on.
Nicely hit there. Oh, the fielder at long off, completely missing the sight of that one. And thus that's 4 runs for Tucker.
Oh yes, completely blinded over there. Was that a brain fade moment for the fielder at long on?
In the slot, in the air, fielder. Easy catch eventually for Nabi. And Tucker will have to walk back. Big wicket for Shapur.
Stood the test. Another off cutter. Another slow delivery. Taking the pace off it. Mohammad Nabi saying thank you very much. And some luck as well.
Going for the big hit. He's connected well. Oh, brilliant attempt by the fielder at long off. But that's Kareem, the fielder. Dockrell.
Oh yes, this time just deciding to go full throttle. That should have been taken. A half chance.
Comes down the track, is missing, connects well, and he gets the desired result for that. 6 runs.
In the concern, they are going for everything.
Well bowled there.
Another short delivery goes big towards cow corner region.
Away only 4 runs in the first 4 deliveries. Slow one in the block hole. Will that be 2 runs? Denied. That'll just be a run. Direct hit. Last ball of the second T20 international in the block hole. Dot ball. And that is game, set, match. Game, set series for Afghanistan.
And they have been clinical and comprehensive in their performances all through the 2 T20 internationals. That's Captain Asghar Afghan, led from the front with a very fine, blistering 49 runs. As teams exchange pleasantries and handshakes, it's the Afghan crowd who look happy, delighted, and it's euphoria all over. But credit has to be given to Afghan and his boys for just going out there and dishing out a clinical and a professional performance.
Greater Noida Sports Complex at the IBA Cup. Ireland have been beaten by Afghanistan. Paul Sterling 12, Kevin O'Brien 19. The openers could not get big runs. Balboni.
The partnerships have been an issue for them. They never got going. Just one considerable one between Tector and Balboni of 49 and 36. Tector and Tucker as well were looking good for 32, but after that it's just been a story where they've just failed to come together as a team in the middle overs, and the middle order has not stood up to the challenge as well. as Afghanistan kept picking up wickets at regular intervals to ensure that they win this contest and win the series as well.